I feel so happy today. It's too bad I have crippling depression, and it's just a manic day. I'm trapped here in this colorful delusion. Why can't we sleep or even cry? Is it possible to die? Am I even still alive? Open my eyes, all I need now to survive. Lose my friends right by my side. I'm so happy I could die.
I feel so happy today, I can't throw this one away. Maybe it's not a mistake to stay alive. Ribbit and Cosmo and me got so much world left to see. If she won't give up today, we'll never die.
Happy, 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 I might just stay. Even though I'm trapped and I'm not okay. I feel happy, happy, happy once in my life. Pretend I'm alright when I lost my mind.
Better yet, now here's my chance. Start again, new life, new dance. Gotta live with no regrets, let go, begin again. And just be
happy, happy, happy forevermore. Just keep holding on here together. I feel so happy today. It's too bad all
Voy a ir con